Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to use a dryer. Okay, how to use dryer. So, to use a dryer, you have to take your clothes from the washing machine and put it in the dryer right here. As you can see, this is my dryer right here, and I have my clothes in the dryer. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to close this dryer right here. So I'm going to be closing this drying machine right here. Now the machine is closed, so I'm just going to be showing you guys some of the functions on the dryer. Yeah, some of the functions on this machine. Like this machine it have a power button which allows you to turn this machine on and off. So we're going to be turning this machine on right here. Okay, now the machine is on, so we're going to be selecting which cycle we're going to be using today. So I'm just going to be going over some of the cycles the machine came with. So right here we have quick dry. Quick dries allows you, like, it lasts for 23 minutes for quick dry. We have time dry for 40 minutes. Yep, 40 minutes. We have touch up for 20 minutes. Yeah, let's say your clothes is already dry, but you just want to make it extra dry. It's okay for 20 minutes, just like that. So we have dedicate over there for 25 minutes. We have casual for 35 minutes. We have normal for 40 minutes. Yeah, we have normal for 40 minutes. We have bulky items for 60 minutes, but I'm not doing bulky items, guys. So I'm not using bulky items. So we also have heavy duty for 50 minutes. Yep. But I like to use my stuff on I love to use normal. Yeah, let's see how long normal take. So normal is 40 minutes. Yeah, it's not that bad for me. 40 minutes for normal, it's not bad for me. So I have the power button right here. I have this button right here. It have start and it have pause. This one button, the one you see blinking right here, it allows you to start this machine, and it also allow you to pause this machine. So like automatically when the machine starts, it's gonna lock by itself. The door gonna lock. So when the door lock, the only way you're gonna open this door, except you pause this machine or you turn it off. That's the only way this door gonna open. So like you don't want to turn it off, you just want to pause it. Let's say you forgot about something and you just want to pause this machine. You're going to come back to the same button where they have start and they have pause. You're going to come right and touch it, it's going to pause. So that's just some of the functions. Like right here, you want to change the temperature here. You're going to come right here. We have dim lasts for 31 minutes. We have more for 48 minutes, normal for 40 minutes, less for 34 minutes, but I'm going for normal. I love my stuff to be on normal. Yeah, I'm just changing the temperature. Yeah, this is normal right here, just like that. So I'm going for normal. Okay, yeah, normal for 40 minutes is not bad. So yeah, we have we have the high, we have medium, and we have low, we have extra low, and we have air only right here. Yeah, right over there. So like you just need air. You don't want your clothes to be hot, you just need air. Yeah, you're gonna come right here for air only, extra low, low, medium, and high. So let's try and see. Let's change it. Okay, so this temperature, okay, it's on medium. It's not bad. I like medium. And you're gonna press the button right here. If you don't want your clothes to be pressed, you're gonna turn the button up. But for now, I like my clothes to be pressed. I'm gonna press right here. Yeah, which allows you to press your clothes. Yeah. And I have this cycle right here, whether you want to turn it off or on. But I just like my stuff to be like this. So right here they have good and they have best. You're going to press here if you want to change it to what temperature you want. You're going to press here, but I think good is okay for me. Yeah. So this is the brand. This is the model I'm using, my washing machine. Like I have a set. I have a washing machine and a drying machine. So this is the name of my washing machine. Okay, sorry guys, this is the name of my drying machine, but they are all set there. So my washing machine and drying machine are set. Okay, so this is the name for it right here. Yeah, and this washing machine has been with me forever. Yeah, and Yeah, so now I'm just gonna press the start button, but it got a very loud noise. So when you press the start button, the noise gonna be so loud when it's drying. So I'm just gonna talk what I want to talk before I started. So once again, my name is Rosemary. If you are joining me for the first time, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I just do just a little bit of everything. Yeah, I just do a little bit of everything. I do products review, I do cleaning up, I do cooking, I do laundry, and just a little bit of everything. But I'm actually looking for my niche. I want a specific, like I just want a video or a special topic to be focusing on. So guys, if you can just do me a favor by watching my videos and selecting which topic you think will be the best for me to focus on, I really appreciate you guys. And once again, my name is Rosemary, so please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So don't forget to hit the notification button. Come back to watch more of this video. So before I go, I'm just going to be showing you guys some of the soap I use in my laundry room. Okay, so this is my laundry room right here. Right here is my laundry room, which I have the drying machine and I have the washing machine over there. Yeah, I got some soap here what I want to be showing to you guys. I have these are some of the soap I use in my laundry room right here. Yeah, for the best recommendation, the people recommend you to use liquid soap in this machine, but I don't know, for some reason I just love to use powder soap, especially when I'm doing my own clothes. I love to use powder soap. Yeah, but this soap, the yellow soap, is one of the best soap. Yeah, right here is one of the best soap. Yeah, if you're ever looking for soap to try, I recommend this yellow. It smells good. The scent lasts in your clothes for, I would say, 24 hours. Yep. If you give me a chance, I'm gonna tell you say it lasts forever. So this is what I use to wash my baby girl clothes with. Yeah, I love to wash my baby girl clothes with this yellow soap. Then I wash her brother clothes with the green one, but it doesn't really matter. So for the powder soap, this is what I use to wash my clothes with. I love to wash my clothes with the powder soap. But guys, trust me, when you try this the other soap, you're gonna like it. So for this one right here, this is my first time using it, so I'm gonna give you guys a review about it and let you know in the next video. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't hesitate now, just share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, come back to watch more of the video. Yeah, I'm an upcoming content creator. My goal for this year is to reach 1,000 subscribers, but not limited, guys. So from the time I'm making this video, I have 376 subscribers. Yeah, which is, yeah, I just want to reach 1,000 for now so I can start, yeah, I can focus on my area. So now I'm going to be starting this machine right here. So I'm going to be starting this machine, but the machine is so loud. Yeah, my machine is loud. I don't know for some reason, but when you start this machine, it locks automatically. So the only way you're going to put something into this machine, you're going to open it, except you pause this machine or you turn it off. So I told you guys this one button have two functions. You have start and you have pause. So if you press it for the first time to start and you want to pause it, just come back to the same button where you see blinking and just pause it. So when you pause it, the light on this book gonna be blinking. So when you forget, after pausing it, like you want to close it back, you close it, you still have to come back here to start it. If you don't start it, it's not going to come on. It's like some machine, as soon as you close it, it's just going to start working by itself. This is not mine. My machine is different. You have to come back to the start button and start it before you work. So let's try this together. Forgive me for the loud noise, okay guys? The noise is gonna be so loud. Myself, I don't like the noise. Yeah, I think you can hear the sound. So now my machine is locked. Oh my god. Okay, so I just opened this machine. Yeah, it's supposed to lock by itself, but I think I rushed to open it. Yeah, so the machine is on. So you will see the lights. The light is stable. It's not blinking anymore because it's on, but if you pause it, it's going to be blinking. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Okay, once again, my name is Rosemary. So having washing machine and drying machine at home, it really helps to save your time and energy. Like it helps you do multiple work at home. Like you can be doing laundry at the same time, cleaning up, cooking, doing your hair, doing all the stuff. Yeah, so guys, just let me, if you're washing, just tell me where you're washing from, where are you washing from, what is your favorite laundry stuff, which stuff you love to do laundry with. Yeah. So you want to know, you want to tell me what is your favorite laundry stuff, where you washing from, what is your favorite video you like for me to make. Yeah guys, I want to build a relationship with my audience. I want my audience to know me and I want to know my audience better. so we can build a relationship by communicating with each other. Thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to hit the notification button to come back to watch more of the video. I love you all so much. Bye bye. See you next time in the next video.